Students, let us begin our study of actinoids. But before studying these elements, we should know those elements. We should remember their names, and electronic configuration is a basic aspect. And to have or to understand electronic configuration, you should know their atomic number. So let us apply our trick to remember atomic number as well as element. So before actually studying these actinoids, let us play a game of mnemonics. What is our idea behind the atomic number? Atomic number means numbers will be there, but for numbers we are with letters. 0 means letter O, 1, L, 2, N, 3, M, 4, F, 5, S, 6, C, 7, T, 8, B, 9, G. With these letters, whatever atomic number is there, accordingly image we will prepare. For example, atomic number 89. 89 means B, G. So bag. Bag will be our image, a non-living thing for the atomic number. And for 89 atomic number, the element name is actinium. For that living thing we need to consider. It may be living thing, it may be the part of the living thing, it can be name of the city, because many elements are there, their names are as per name of the city, name of the scientist will be there, name of the satellite it may be there. So using that, this right side means element we will understand. So for actinium I consider living thing actor. So bag and actor. So two images are there on your screen. One bag for atomic number, actor for actinium, the element. So we do correlate that. How will you correlate that? In order to remember it for longer time, involve yourself in the action. Means one picture shooting is going on and you are a spectator. A hero, while doing his role, remains in need of one bag, and hero takes your bag for shooting. So hero means actor, you can consider. Actor takes your bag for the shooting. So actor took your bag and shooting is going on. Bag, a non-living thing, atomic number related to living thing, actor. So bag means 89, actor means actinium. That's a correlation. That's the one hint I had given to you. One additional information I am informed, though I said living things, along with living things, satellites name also may possible. Names of city may possible. Are you getting? Okay. Now let us see the next element. Atomic number 90. 9 means G, O. So related to that, gold. So only two numbers, no, because maximum 118 is there. Though L is coming there, so what one will think? G means 9, O means 0, A has no number, but L is there. L has the number 1. So number will be 901, but 901 that atomic number is not possible. Therefore only 90, first two that we are considering here. Sometimes 3 also are to consider, but here only 2. So atomic number 90, image is goal post. And for element is thorium, and for thorium I consider living Thor, the god of thunder. So 90 means goal and god of thunder. Involve yourself. If you are playing a game, you are a goalkeeper and god of thunder gold, or ball went in the goal post. So god of thunder, Thor and goal post. That you have to what? Correlate. Likewise, creativity you have to show for others. Only I inform you now the atomic number, respective image, and element and image. So element also I will not say. Only let us play a game to remember those things. Afterwards, element name also will come. Next, image. That remember, gel. And here, protozoa. Now correlate them. Next, gun. One side. Other side, Uranus, a satellite. Next, Jim, and other side, Napoleon Bonaparte, the ruler. Next, gift, one side. Other side, Pluto, the philosopher. Next, gas at one side. Other side, America. Next, gas chromatogram. Gas chromatography machine. Gas chromatography machine. It's called GC machine. Gas chromatography machine. Other side, scientist Marie Curie. So for Curie, I represented that scientist. Next, gate. And that gate is related to bark, wooden block of the tree. Next, garbage, related to California. Next, giga. Giga means large number. And other side, Einstein, a brilliant scientist. Next, a loop of wire. And other side, a scientist Fermi. Next, lollipop. And other side, scientist Mendeleev. Next, loan. And other side, a scientist Nobel. Because of that, Nobel Prize came. Maybe you understand, to give you the Nobel Prize, Nobel took a loan from the bank. Next, loam means it's a soil. And other side, lawyer. So let us test. Garbage. What was there? California. One more test. Gun. What was there? Uranus. Yes. Like students, you have to remember these two couples, these two things. That will certainly help you to remember the elements of actinoids. So in next lecture, let us discuss actinoids and their electronic configuration.